I'm waiting until we get closer to it.
It was going backwards. That one right there.
Oh.
Hey, this is a broken semi. This semi was on fire for a long time. Holy cow! Holy cows!
See a picture, Allie?
Kind of, yeah. I took a video.